Chapter 3 exercise HC Verma question 1. A man has to go 50 meter due north, 40 meter due east and 20 meter due south to reach a field. What distance he has to walk to reach the field? B. What is his displacement from his house to the field? So in this case we have to find the distance and displacement. So firstly, as it is given in question the information, we will first make its diagram, so it will be clear for you. Okay, 50 meter due north. Suppose the man is initially here and he went 50 meter due north. Okay, and then they're saying that he went 40 meter due east, right? So east here, 40 meter due east, and then 20 meter south. Okay, so final position of the man is here, south, 20 meter due south, right? And now uh, so they have asked the distance. Okay, so distance is just the total distance the man has covered from his initial point to final point. Okay, so from initial point to final point he have traveled 50 meters. So for distance, the total distance he had traveled from initial to final position. So from initial to final position he has traveled 50 meters plus 40 meters plus 20 meters, right? So this will give us 110 meters. So this is the distance he has traveled, right? So this is the A part of the question. And now for B part they have asked the displacement, right? For displacement is the basically the shortest distance between the initial position and the final position. So displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final position. So how we can find the shortest distance in this part? So for shortest distance from initial and final position, we can't follow the path like this. Okay, so we will, for shortest distance we will just, we have to find this one distance, right, from initial to final position. And for finding this distance we will apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, if this is 40 and this is also 40 meters, so and this is 50 whole, and for this is 20, so 50 minus, this is 20, so 50 minus 20 is 30, so this distance will be 30 between A B. So AB would be 30 and BE would be 40. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, as this is a right angle triangle ABE, this is a right angle triangle, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem and find AE. So by, as we know that 30, 40, 50 are the triplets for Pythagoras theorem, so AE would be 50 meter, which is the displacement from the initial to final position. So displacement would be 50 meters.